Hi guys, today's topic is basically lead versus lag. It is a very important concept of project management, and both of these terms are mainly related to project schedule. What is a lead? A lead may be added to start an activity before the predecessor activity is completed. Lead is only found activities with finish to start relationship. Let me give you an example of that. Please consider this as activity B and consider this as activity B. So if you here see from here that basically this is the lead time, that activity B can be started before ending of activity A. So it will save basically the time of a project. It is a acceleration time given or provided to activity B. So this is basically called as the lead time. Let us take a real world example. You are constructing a two-floor building and now you have two activities in sequence: electrical work and painting. However, as you complete the electrical work of ground floor, you start painting it, and electrical work for first floor continues. So it will basically produce a lead time here. This is called as lead time. What is a lag? A lag is inserted waiting time between activities. Lag is a delay of successor activity as represent time that must pass before the second activity can begin. There are no resources associated with lag. Lag may be found in activities with all the relationship type: finish to start, start to start, finish to finish, and start to finish. Let me give you an example of that. Consider this as activity A and consider this as activity B. So basically the waiting time here, this is called as a lag, for which activity B has to wait after completion of activity A. Suppose you have to paint a newly constructed room, so the first activity would be applying the primer coating and then you will go for the final painting. However, after applying the primer coating, you must give it some time to dry properly. Once the primer coating dries, you can start final painting. The time given for coating to dry itself is called lag time. This is called as lag time or waiting time. To summarize this concept of lead and lag, basically both of these terms are used in the development of project schedule. Lead is an acceleration of the successor activity and can be used only on finish to start activity relationship. Lag is a delay in the successor activity and can be found on all activity relationship types. So that's all from my side. Thanks a lot for watching this video. I hope this video will clear your concept about lead and lag. If you like this video, please share it with your friends and colleagues, and please subscribe to my channel so that I can share my updates with you. Thanks a lot for your time. That's all from my side.